Hello everyone, Nikki Holland here. We're continuing the journey through our premium starter kit, and today I'm going to talk to you about Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender Essential Oil happens to be one of my all-time favorites. Now you received a 5 milliliter bottle in your kit with a white label on it. Keep in mind that that label means it's from the Vitality line, and this is labeled for consumption. You can take it internally. It's also available in the purple label, and that just means that it's labeled for topical use, so put it on your skin, and it's also used for diffusing aromatically. Actually, these are the exact same oil, so should you run out of one, you can always use the other. Now, lavender essential oil is known as the Swiss Army knife of all essential oils because it's so very versatile. It's also known for promoting feeling of calmness and helping to fight occasional nervous tension. It's used in many products, and it's also excellent for the skin. It's so powerful that Young Living chose to put it in their new maximum strength acne treatment cream. So should you be someone who has blemishes every now and then, put this on your skin, just right on top of your skin. You don't even have to dilute it. Some other common uses for the lavender would be a couple of drops in your bath water. You can even add a cup of Epsom salt and give yourself this spa-like relaxing bath. It's an amazing feeling, and it just kind of takes all that stress away. I really, really love that. You can diffuse it before going to bed at night. Maybe put 4 or 5 drops in your diffuser. You can actually rub it on the bottom of your feet. I know a lot of people that do that. I have a 7-year-old daughter, and sometimes she has trouble falling asleep at night. You just put a couple drops right under her ears here, and she's out like a light. Now, the Vitality line has a lot of recipes. If you Google Young Living Lavender Essential Oil, you will find hundreds of recipes. My favorite is the Lavender Lemonade, and you can use that by combining the lavender with the lemon oil that came in your kit for a delicious, refreshing treat. So I hope you found this information helpful, and don't forget to use your oils. It's very, very important. You guys have a lovely day, and we'll see you soon.